refresh my contacts. So again this method is not working. So how to fix this error? So first of all you can go back to one step, then you can click this three dot icon, then go to settings. So here you can go to contacts, and here you can click to enable this option, show all contacts. So click to enable it, then it shows please wait a moment, and my contacts have been updated successfully. Then again I try to check my contact by click this contacts icon, then again I try to refresh, and here you can see only 45 contacts are showing and remaining contacts are not showing. So how to fix this error? So my suggestion is my contacts are deleted from my Android mobile. So how to retrieve it? So you can recover your contacts from your Google Drive backup. So first of all you can close your WhatsApp, then go to settings. So here you can scroll down, then go to account section, then click to open it. So here you can go to add account. So click to open it. Then here you can select Google. Then it shows checking info. So here you can sign in your Gmail account informations. So after your email ID and password is entered, you can click to next. Then click to I agree because this is an user agreement. So my account is starts to connecting. So here you can always enable this option, backup to Google Drive. Then click to agree. Then you can again open your Google, and here you can see my data starts to syncing. So it takes some time, so be patient. So after the syncing process is completed, you can close your settings. Then I try to check it by accessing my contacts, and here you can see it shows your contact list is empty. So how to restore it? By go to settings, by click this settings icon, then go to settings. So here you can scroll down. So here you can select import, and here you can select your service provider. So here my SIM card is BSNL mobile, and here you can see it shows all my contacts. So finally you can click to import, then it shows a notification, and here you can see it shows importing SIM, which means that my contacts are restoring. So it takes some minutes, be patient, and the process is completed. So you can close your contacts. Then again I try to access my same WhatsApp messenger, then go to contacts, then again I try to refresh, and here you can see my contacts is successfully updated and all my contacts are showing without any errors. So this is the way you can easily fix your WhatsApp errors. So for more videos you can